Before we get into the video, I want to remind you guys, 4/20/2018, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, watch us do 100 miles an hour for $1,000 or less, or maybe not, on the Velocity channel. Also, come to our meet and greet at the Go Power Sports tent at the Pate Swap Meet in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas on April 28th. It's a Saturday. Visit our Facebook page for more information. Enjoy the video. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Off-Road Wednesday. We are doing a few more things before we take our Trail 70s out to Busco Beach to do some serious trail riding. The main thing being fork rebuild. So we have a parts bike we haven't really talked about. It's mean green color. You could bring it back. It would be very, very expensive. The gas tank has holes in it. The rear shock is bent and broken.
The handlebars are messed up. Turn signals are messed up. Forks need rebuilt. There's no engine. There's no wheels.
We're going to take the forks off of the parts bike, see if we can fit them on Ike's bike. Do you want to show them the bent forks?
This tube is rubbing on the backside, but there's a huge gap here. And if I look, it kind of looks like it's got a slight bend in it. Like somewhere around here.
I see that too now.
You see it too?
Yeah.
Also, what I noticed was I can't even fit my finger in between that fender and that bar. Come over to John's, and I can almost do like two fingers.
2 fingers. Yep.
Yeah. Someone must have hit a wall dead on.
Or a tree or something.
Yeah. You've done that before.
I have, yeah.
Here we go. Same deal.
Same thing. Yep.
There's the O-ring. You got it?
I got it.
Pop it out. Pop it out, buddy. Pop it. Ow! Ow!
Heyo.
Hey.
What a royal pain.
Yes.
We got it though.
Yes. Wire brush the snot out of it so it'll slide back in. Why are we taking the other one apart?
I don't know. I took it apart and then I immediately lost where everything went because Ike's boss came in here and had a secret message for us. It was profane.
Oh, that message. Okay.
Propane, I mean.
Propane.
All right, so y'all remember how nasty this thingy was. Well, it's still pretty nasty.
Still pretty gross.
But I cleaned it. It's pitted right here. It's rubbed through the chrome right here, which is going to cause some problems with our plastic bushing, I'm going to call it.
Plastic bushing ain't gonna ride there. That's
yeah. Okay, good. Anyway, that's not good. I need to look for a new set of steering rods.
Every time the seal goes over that, it's gonna be damaging the seal.
Yeah, so it goes.
I mean, you need to go ahead and above that. It's not gonna go that far. That's good.
I'm faced with a very difficult decision. I have not been able to make up my mind for the past half an hour. I don't know if I should sandblast these fork tube holder things or just polish them. Plus, like, if I sandblast, I'll have to wait for the paint to dry and stuff. So I'm just gonna wire wheel and polish this one, and then in the future, when I get new forks, I'll just replace the whole thing then.
Sounds good.
I don't know why I'm having such a hard time. I also have to sneeze. It's probably the polish. Oh yeah.
Bless you.
Thank you.
One on the right looks like it could use some more.
Dude, shut up.
Correct. Look at that.
And that's it.
It's like brand new. Here you go.
Thank you. So I cleaned up the other fork tube once again. It looks really good other than this part, which is very concerning. Because if the seal hits it, we're probably gonna have some kind of leak. So I should look for new fork tubes. But in the meantime, I'm gonna use these, and I don't think it turned out that bad. Yeah, I think that's it, dude. Oh, there it is. Touchdown.
It's just not cooperating.
Remember when we were using the axle bolt to hammer on the fork tube to get him out? That just bit us in the butt. It worked fine on one side, the other side, it boogered up the threads, and we can't get the bolt in anymore. So tomorrow morning, we're gonna have to run to Ike's work and grab his thread chasing set, clean it out, and see if that works. But we're stuck here on this for tonight. Ike did a couple things to his bike. We got a new speedometer cable going, new front brake cable, and a new brake handle, which I'm kind of digging.
All right.
Sweet. Calm down. I'm glad I didn't sandblast and paint these pieces right here. I think they look good the way they are. Not perfect, but I mean, it's looking really good. If you guys have any thoughts or ideas on how to remove rust from chrome other than like a Brillo pad and polish, let me know, because there are still a couple bad spots. Ike mentioned using aluminum foil and rubbing it on it to transfer some of the aluminum to the chrome to kind of cover the rust, but I don't know. Let me know if you have any other ideas. We are pretty much ready to go here, running about 2 hours behind schedule, as usual. But we got my CT70, Ike's CT70, and the Trailmaster too we're gonna bring out there for a Trailmaster versus 140 ATV video. So we're gonna grab some lunch on the road, and we will see you there. We made it out here. It is a beautiful day, a little chilly and very windy, so apologies in advance for that. It's a Monday, so there are a total of 8 people here. Oh, he's doing a wheelie. All right, you gotta put him in his place on your Trail 70, dude. We're gonna ride the Trail 70s around for a little bit. I'm expecting mine's gonna do a lot better than Ike's because I have the Go Power Sports Bridgestone good tires on it, and he's got the eBay made in Russia jobs. And then mine also has more power because of the, well, we got a 107 carb on there. We got a high flow exhaust with a high flow RLV Go Power Sports muffler. We are gonna unload and see how they do. We're gonna try not to get them muddy because I don't want them rusting up. And basically what we're doing out here is we're just trying to see how the Trail 70 lives up to what it's designed to do.
Trails.
Yeah, trails. So let's hit it. All right. Ready? Are not good.
A little squirrely.
Wow.
Did you hit a tree?
Yeah, she got some power now. Now I understand why everyone breaks these.
I thought we said we weren't going to get these bikes muddy. Man, we said we weren't going to get these things muddy.
I know. Turn around?
Yeah, let's find a drier place.
Okay.
The beautiful thing about these little Trail 70s, they fit right in between everything. Hey, you give me the brake?
Yeah.
All right.
This thing can move pretty good.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Huh?
Is anything you said is bad?
Something sounds loose in my front end.
You know, mine too. It sounds kind of not good.
Okay.
Yep.
You want to hit the drag strip again?
Yeah.
You drive this one?
Sure.
All right.
It's a powerhouse. Watch out.
It's in neutral.
Okay.
Oh wow, this one feels so much better. Have you even ridden that one?
No, I haven't ridden this one.
Okay.
Dude, your seat is like not good.
Yeah.
Wow. Ready?
I'll give you the brake.
Cool. Hey, nice bike, dude.
Nice bike.
What's
yeah.
the retail on one of those?
More than you can handle, bud.
I guess it doesn't want to go in neutral. Is that a bald eagle? No! Come on! Were you messing around?
I got in the mud, dude.
Oh!
One more time.
One more time, alright. There's a hawk up there. There really is. No, I'm screwed!
This one's way better, dude.
I didn't realize how rough this one was.
It is rough compared to this one. This is like a Cadillac.
Yeah. You're doing the Lord's work too, man.
Yep.
Your speedometer doesn't work either, though.
It quit.
Oh, that sucks. Woo! Woo! get some air, dude.
Dude, these are truly trail bikes.
Yep.
I love them. Yours is faster,
Yep.
but I got something here that's faster.
Not even close. Not even close.
I think we should do a Trailmaster versus Trail 70 video. I think that would be sweet. Let us know if that's what you want to see us do. Anyway, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Cars and Cameras Reviews.
Check me out at Isaac It'll Be Fine.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and press the little bell to receive notifications from us. We have to thank our sponsor, GoPowersports.com. Check out our merchandise, support the channel at Cars-Cameras.com. Thanks for watching. We will see you Monday.